everyone, Anke here with a new layout inspiration and process video for HipKit Club. It's Technic Focus Sunday and I got the assignment to create a layout with rainbow effect. So I make a layout with a rainbow made of die-cut flowers and a die-cut background. First I cut out flowers and leaves from the exclusive Essential Solids Bermuda, Hot Lips, Thistle and Sunshine papers, which I included in the April cardstock kit. Therefore I used the January 2022 Kaleidoscope metal dies, the October 2022 metal die kit and the February 2023 hoop and floral metal die kit. I draw a rainbow on white cardstock and cut it out. This is my base on which I now glue my die-cut flowers and leaves. I use foam pads to adhere the flowers to add dimension. I add some Nuvo drops to the center of each flower. The yellow drops are included in the April color kit, the others are from my stash. And here you can see the finished rainbow. Now I cut the February 2023 slimline lattice background 3 times from white cardstock. This will be the background for my rainbow. I place the rainbow on this background and add some of the die-cut flowers and leaves in the upper left corner and the bottom right corner, combined with some die-cuts from the exclusive Hip and Humble ephemera pack, which is included in the April main kit. I embellish my photo with a frame from the Hip and Humble chipboard frame stickers pack, which you can also find in the April main kit. I cut some tags and labels from the April Pocket Life kit using the matching dies, and I layer some of them with my photo and add a butterfly die cut. I also use the exclusive stamp set, which is included in the April Pocket Life kit, and stamp on one of the die cuts. Some of the Hip and Humble Puffy Mini Phrase stickers, which are included in the April embellishment kit. I also add some clouds, which I cut from white cardstock. I continue embellishing the page with some of the clear stickers, which you can also find in the April embellishment kit, and some Nuvo drops. Finally, I add some puffy dot stickers and puffy shape stickers, also from the April embellishment kit. This is the finished layout. I hope you like it and enjoyed watching the process. Thanks so much for joining me.